Have you ever found yourself frantically searching for an old quote you created for a customer? Have you chosen the perfect matte color only to find that it is discontinued when you go to order it? Do you spend hours in the stockroom checking inventory before placing your frame orders, or do you have too much stock not being used? Do your employees price frame jobs exactly the same? Do you? FrameReady is a pricing tool and shop management program designed specifically for the art and framing industry, created by a framer. FrameReady can price custom frame orders, track material inventory, keep an archive of customer history, generate invoices for sales and receipts, and create purchase orders for framing materials. FrameReady handles all of your sales and receipts, but does not record payables. FrameReady is made up of several different files that are all accessible on the main menu. The contacts file stores all of your customers' information, such as name, address, phone number, and email addresses. Due to the powerful search engine within FrameReady, you can compile very specific customer lists based on their preferences, location, what they have spent in total, or across a specific date range. From this file, you can see the value of each customer based on sales and rank them for marketing purposes. You can then export them to a spreadsheet, which will allow you to import the basic information into email marketing services such as MailChimp and Constant Contact. The tab section at the bottom will show you a summary of all invoices and work orders associated with this customer. Using FrameReady's navigation features, you can move between the files to go directly to a customer's record within the invoices and work orders just by selecting the Go button. The work order file accurately prices and stores a record of all of your orders and estimates so you can recall them quickly and easily. The work order file also manages your shop production flow and includes built-in error tracking. The work orders file is broken down into 6 blocks: measurements, frame components, artwork information, customer information, shop management, and pricing. You have the option to show labor within the taxable total or as a separate non-taxable line item depending on the tax regulations of your region. The message window will alert you to any errors that require your attention, such as missing matte margins, no reveal amount selected, oversized matte boards needed, etc. When the work order is completed, there are a number of different printouts you can choose for the customer, as well as production documents for your back room. You can even send them a pre-scripted email to let them know their order is ready to be picked up. When a customer is ready to pay, you can post one or multiple work orders to an invoice. You can also add retail products or even lengths of molding and full sheets of matte board to an invoice. When taking a payment, you can process credit card transactions directly within FrameReady if you have opted to use our credit card processing services. After you've finished with the customer, you can print receipts or full-page invoices. Sending copies of the invoice via email is as simple as clicking one button, and you can send a PDF copy of the full-page invoice to your customer. Refunds and returns are easy within FrameReady. You have the option to process credit card refunds. If a customer has a store credit, FrameReady will remind you the next time they come in and allow you to apply the credit directly to the new invoice. How do you currently manage your loyalty program? FrameReady allows you to calculate reward points based on customer sales. You can set how much a customer has to spend in order to earn a point and how much points are worth. Customers can then apply these accumulated points towards future purchases. The invoice file within FrameReady contains a wide variety of reports based on sales, receipts, or receivables. The end-of-day reports will give you a great overview of both sales and receipts of the given day. This report includes the invoice details, sales summary by category, a detailed payment report, as well as an easy-to-read daily summary. The gift certificates file is where FrameReady stores and tracks gift certificate and store credit balances. You can print and sell traditional paper gift cards. It will also work well with barcoded gift cards. The products file stores and tracks inventory of physical products such as artwork, giftware, and other retail items that do not require assembly. You'll also be able to sell services such as installations or art classes, so you can consistently add these fees to invoices. If you have a barcode reader, you can scan the item's barcode into the UPC field. This will allow you to very easily scan an item when adding to an invoice. Supplier, pricing, and inventory information are entered in at the bottom. If the product is a ready-made frame or a piece of art in stock or consigned, you can record any relevant information under the ready-made or artwork tabs. You can even store an image of the product. Purchase orders can be created manually or automatically generated whenever you create a frame order. The price codes file allows you to identify which vendor you order molding or mapboard from, since not every framer will order Crescent from Crescent or Nielsen from Nielsen. When you generate purchase orders, FrameReady includes all of the framing materials from all of the work orders you created since your last frame order. Once the purchase order has been created, you can adjust the order type, the quantity, or footage as needed. If you record your inventory in FrameReady, you can see what you currently have in stock in the Quantity on Hand field. You can delete items from the order to prevent ordering more stock than necessary. With a button click, you can total the quantity or footage of items to consolidate items on the same purchase order. Price codes files stores all of the pricing and inventory for all of your framing components. Wholesale pricing for moldings and mapboards are automatically updated whenever you perform a vendor update for a specific supplier. Based on your cost, you can generate your retail price. Pricing within FrameReady is extremely flexible. You can simply enter the desired retail price per foot or use a markup multiplier. FrameReady will even allow you to price a molding one way and order it in another. If you're unsure about your pricing, the FrameReady defaults are designed to give you a good start. The default pricing uses a sliding scale, which applies a higher markup to lower cost items. As the wholesale cost increases, the markup gradually decreases. FrameReady gives you the pricing tools to make you profitable. Use the set price to cover shipping or fuel charges. Set a minimum price on mats to cover your cost on smaller sizes. Price your glass by light size to cover long, narrow pieces. Create custom code tables to duplicate existing price charts. With FrameReady, the pricing possibilities are endless. FrameReady will alert you to any updates for molding, mapboards, and fabric to keep you current and profitable. Out-of-date pricing is a sure way to lose money on a frame job. You'll know right at the time of sale with our discontinued alert. The time cards file provides an easy way for all of your employees to track their hours. Accounts and passwords are created for each employee to provide security and privacy. The current date and time are entered with a click of a button. FrameReady Standard is our full shop management software package. It contains all of the features and components that were demonstrated in this video. If you currently have an accounting software that you prefer to use to create invoices and track payments, We do offer a light version of our software for frame pricing only. FrameReady Lite does not generate invoices or manage retail items in giftware. It simply stores your customers, prices the frame jobs, and creates purchase orders to order materials. We are excited to work with you to help your business continue to grow and be profitable. Please download a free trial of our software by clicking the free trial button on our homepage. For more video tutorials and online help to learn about our software, please click on the Support Center option in the support menu on our homepage. Thank you for watching.